Dear friends, I am Vinod. I am a chef at home. I am going to share with you today a very tasty dish that's stuffed brinjal, which my mom used to prepare every time, many times, and I have tried it several number of times. And all my friends, dear ones who have tasted it have liked it. I'll be sharing it with you, and you will also hope you like it, and you will also share it with others. Take 1/4 kg of brinjal, a few petals of garlic, half-inch ginger, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, grated coconut, 1 bowl. Then from your masala items, uh, red chili powder, cumin seeds, jeera, halad, asafoetida, that is hing, and garam masala. These are the items required here. This is tamarind soaked in water for some time to make tamarind juice liquid, and some jaggery. After all is mixed, the combination looks like this. Cut the brinjals into this shape like this, 4 pieces. Do not detach it from the stem. The stem will be integrated like this. It will not be removed. And now you have to fill the masala into the brinjal in between this like this. Just fill it. So your brinjals are ready to get cooked now. You got to fill it like this. Heat some oil, 2 tablespoonful, in a aluminum big pan. Add all the balance remaining masala, the mixture, into the frying pan, into the oil, so that you can fry it, and mix it, make it ready to fry it further. Now this is the remaining masala, all taken in the pan for frying, just ready to get fried, already looking quite yummy. Now just before frying, take 2 pieces of clove, 4 grains of black pepper, together make a powder by crushing, and add this powder to this mixture before putting it for frying. Keep the mixture with the pan on medium flame for frying. Fry for 5 minutes. Mix well while frying. You can see everything is boiling now. So your mixture is ready to add brinjals or place the brinjals properly. I'll show you how to place the brinjals now. That's how you place the brinjals, with face down. Place and start frying the brinjals along with the paste. After 2 minutes, turn it round like this. You can see the brinjals have already started changing the color. There is slight change in color. fry for some time. Now push them down further inside into the mixture so that they get more into the masala. They get in deep into the masala. Cover it like this. And let this cook for some time till the brinjals become soft. Now you can see most of the brinjal has changed color. They have become little bit brownish. Now mix everything upside down. Now place all brinjals like this with the stem in the center so that the stem gets also cooked. You see, this masala doesn't come out of the brinjal, it is inside there. This is the raw masala that we had put in, and we have now put all the brinjal in the fried masala to get further cooked. Let this get cooked well. Again turn these brinjals around like this so that the stem gets cooked from all sides. Turn the brinjal around. Just like the brinjal, stem also color starts to change. It becomes little bit brown. After it becomes little bit brown, now add 1 glass of water and let the vegetables, let the brinjal cook. Mix everything properly now. Just look at the color. It's looking so yummy. Okay. Let it cook on low flame and let it cook on low flame. Remove the lid, check how the boiling is. Let the brinjals cook well in boiling mixture. After 5 minutes of cooking, just turn the brinjals around like this so that cook from all directions, all surfaces. So simple, not very difficult. Just rotate the brinjal. Let it cook for some more time. Cover, put the lid back. Now remove the lid. Most of the brinjal is well cooked. Now you can mix everything together like this. Turn upside down. Check for softness of the brinjal. If it is soft enough, it is soft enough. This is cooked now. Garnish with coriander. And your colorful brinjal is ready to eat. This is a filled brinjal. You can try it at home. If you like it, share the video. Taste it, share the video.
Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.